Hey guys, I am going into my kitchen and I want to kind of give you an update on what's going on with our kitchen situation as far as the sink and everything. But let me first kind of show you what my kitchen kind of looks like right now. It's not too bad. You know, we just have the typical kind of mess on the table here. And then the island, like I said, it's not too bad. And then of course the stove area. Close up look. And then, of course, the counter and sink and all that stuff and everything. So it's not too bad. But anyway, I do need to at least vacuum, maybe do a little bit of sweeping. I'm not going to mop because this is not the day I mop. But anyway, not too bad. Alrighty. Well, let me turn you guys. So anyway, yeah. And then our kitchen sink, you know how I told you guys, hang on, turn you again, how it was kind of backing up and everything. We're using a BioClean, and my husband has been doing as far as that is, okay, he would boil the water or whatever and get it up to like 130 degrees. And then he would pour the BioClean like in a bowl and kind of mix it up with the water and then put it down there. And that seems to be helping the situation. So I wanted to kind of give you an update. I want to say we're on like, I think this is like, what, like week 3 or something like that. I don't even remember. But anyway, it still backs up a little bit every now and then. But anyway, it's definitely better than where it was. All right, guys, I need to stop talking and I need to get to work because got the water going right now. All right, check you in a bit. See you in a bit. Okay guys, 47 minutes later and now the kitchen is completely clean. Let me turn you around. So anyway, here's the kitchen table. It's completely clean. And the island is clean. Stove area, all clean. The kitchen sink and the counter is clean, and even the breakfast bar is clean. And the floor is swept. Now, like I said, I did not mop, but it is swept. Okay, guys, so husband is going to do another treatment on the sink. I'm not going to film that because I've filmed that a bunch of times already. And the sink is doing better. Now, it backed up a little while ago while I was doing the dishes, but it didn't do too bad. So I'm thankful for that. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to go tell my husband to treat the sink. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.